My name is Kayla Miller. This is my Sweet Density Lab number 2. My hypothesis about how density will be affected after cutting the candy bars is that the density will not be affected by simply cutting the candy bars. And to do this, for the procedure, I went ahead and picked up a Milky Way bar and also a Three Musketeers bar. Here is my ruler that's in centimeters, and here is my electric scale that I picked up off Amazon. And then for my procedures, I did measure the length and the width and the height. So when the bar was together, the length was about 9 centimeters. And then for the width, it was about 2.8 centimeters. And then for the height, it was about 1.7 centimeters. And then to calculate volume, I just multiplied all of them together, so length times width times height, and I got 42.84 centimeters cubed for the Milky Way bar. And then for the mass, I had to place, when the bar was still together, I placed it on here, and I got about 55 grams. And then for density, you take mass divided by volume, and my results are right there. And then I just did the same thing for the Three Musketeers bar, and it's a little bit longer, so I got 11. It's a little bit smaller on that, and it's around the same for the height on every single one. So again, I just multiplied everything together for the volume, and I got 51.48 centimeters cubed. And then for the mass, same thing for it all together. 51.13 grams. Place it back on here, and I kind of kept track of it just by labeling it on the plate. And then I cut them, which my biggest drawback of this whole experiment is not measuring it as I was cutting it. I kind of estimated and then cut, which looking back was not smart, but the deed is done. Anyway, for the length of just one, I got about 4.5 centimeters length, 2.8 centimeters, and then the height I got, it's the wrong bar. It's still around the same. It's like 1.7. They're all around the same thing.